Hey everyone, in today's video I want to do a summer recap. I haven't done one of these. I used to do them monthly. I haven't done one in a while, so I want to go through the things that I made over the summer and let you know those things that I have gotten the most use out of. So let's get started. First of all, let me welcome you back to the channel. If you're returning, if you're new, then hi, my name is Denise. And I've got my notes here. I want to go through, because I don't want this to be a long video, but I want to go through and let you know some of the things that I made over the summer. And I will post pictures so that you can see what I'm talking about. So basically this goes through the time from May through August. One of the first things was the Audrey denim jacket. I made this in a white stretch denim and I love it. I do want to make another one in either in a traditional navy or a traditional blue denim, or who knows, if I see something else that I might like, I might do that as well. That was one of the first things that I made. I really have gotten a lot of use out of that jacket, and actually now that it's a bit cooler, I can still get some use out of it, even though it's after Labor Day, but I can still get quite a bit of use out of that. Now, I also made the Berta style 6632 blouse. This one was one, I used a fabric that I've had for quite some time, so I was glad to be able to use that, get that piece of fabric out of my stash. The pattern was easy, except I had trouble with the front placket. I don't know if it was their instructions or if it was just my brain wasn't functioning, but I got it done. But it was kind of a pain. But I do like the blouse. I think it's the pattern and the fabric that I used matched up really well. The fabric is probably a rayon challis fabric, so it's flowy and nice. It was really nice for the summer. So that one was a good one, but yeah, it was just the pattern. Trying to get that placket done was kind of a pain. So that one, I was glad to get that finished. Next was the McCall's 8178, and that is a jumpsuit pattern. It's got a jumpsuit and a dress and a jacket, I believe, in the pattern. But I made basically a two-piece jumpsuit using that pattern. It was an easy process. That's something that's very easy to do when you have a jumpsuit pattern that has elastic in the waist, because you got to put those two pieces together anyway. So basically I just lengthened the bodice and made sure that it would like cover, but then just did the casing for the pants. So that was actually a very easy project. That was a Minerva project because I was gifted that fabric by them. So that was an easy one, but I do like how that one turned out. Very comfortable to wear. Next was Butterick 6674. This was a dress in pink and white stretch cotton sateen that I used. I got that fabric locally at G Street Fabrics, but I just love the dress. This is one of those things I've actually talked about on my channel maybe 2 years ago, 3 years ago, and actually never did until this past summer. It was an easy pattern. The next thing ended up being the 3 things that I have worn more than anything else this summer, and those were the skirts that I made. That one was Simplicity 9336. For whatever reason, this pattern I don't believe is available anymore, which is a shame because they need to bring it back. This is one of those things that I did have for quite a while and never bothered to make. The first one was pink. I made a pink, a lime green, and a beige one. The first one, I did not do any alterations to the pattern. And that one is it still fits, and it's a very comfortable wear. I eventually ended up adding also inseam pockets to it. I love it. Next was the Wardrobe by Me Wardrobe Builder t-shirt, and I used a blue knit. I believe it's some kind of a cotton knit. That was a Minerva project as well. I love that pattern. It's got so many different variations, and you can do variations on the variations that they have. Next was the Style Arc Olivia dress, which I absolutely love the fabric. I got the fabric locally at G Street Fabrics also. That is a super easy pattern. It's for woven fabrics, and I just really, really love that. It's very comfortable and it's stylish, and I just, like I said, I love the fabric, the print of the fabric that I used for that. So that one turned out really well also. Next was the Style Arc Sally jean skirt, which I made in a white denim. That one is a really nice pattern. It's like a traditional jean skirt style, which is what I wanted, and super comfortable. Next, it's McCall's 6884. It's a red knit dress. So the pattern that I used is for knit fabrics. I don't quite even know what the fabric is, and I was using this as sort of a wearable muslin because I had a different project coming up that was going to be for Minerva. So I wanted to try out the pattern to see how, if it was going to work for the other fabric that I was going to have. Well, I love the red dress that I made. I did not end up using that pattern for the project that's upcoming with Minerva. And then the last thing that I made just a few weeks ago was the white pants that I made with a stretch cotton sateen, also found in my fabric stash. And that was pattern Simplicity 8056. 8056 by Simplicity. It's, I believe, an amazing fit pattern. This is one of those things where I've made that pattern before, and it actually is one of my favorite pairs of pants. I made it in a black stretch linen or something like that years ago, many years ago, and I still have the pants and I still wear them. And so I wanted to make it again. I love these pants. The pattern is really, really good. The instructions are great, easy to follow along, and fit is the big thing that I really like because it's not really a wide leg pant, but it's a bit wider than like a regular straight leg, I guess. So they're just very comfortable to wear. They're the kind of thing that you can dress it up, dress it down, so you can have a more casual look or a dressier look. Very versatile and useful. And my goal for this summer in making these things was I'm trying to be more intentional about the things that I'm making, because I want things that I can use with other items in my closet, right? Because that's important. So going through a lot of the fabrics and pulling out certain things that I can use was very helpful as well. So I was able to get through a lot of the fabrics that I already have, and really didn't need to purchase a lot of new fabrics for all of these things that I made. It ended up being 12 garments, and I did one refashion where I took a dress that I had made and basically cut off the bodice and took the skirt portion, which I just really loved how that looked, and added some black elastic to it and made a skirt. So that was a simple refashion project. Those were the things that I made and the things that I got the most use out of. So I suggest that's the things that you want to think about when you are sewing. Now I'm getting to a point where I really want to think more like what goes with what can I really use? Basically, so that's it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so that you won't miss a new upload. And I thank you all for watching. Please, if you have any questions or comments about anything, please leave it down below. And I will see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.